Guys, look at this. May bagong labas na model ang Everflow. It's a turbo fan na trending sa TikTok. May LED, may mist, at may power bank pa for only 1,999 lang.
Ang mahal naman yan. Tsaka parang gaan ng build. Maganda and worth it kaya ang quality niyan for its price.
May fan ka na ginagamit, diba? Kung bibili ka man yan, magagamit mo ba talaga? Yung mist feature niya na pang matagal for its price or pang aesthetic lang? And kasya ba itong 1,999 sa budget mo ngayon?
Oo, may lumang mini fan pa naman ako sa bahay. Okay pa naman siya. Mist, cute, pero baka dito rin siya magamit And budget, medyo tight kasi nag-splurge tayo sa Sangyup kahapon.
Ayan, di porket trending bibilhin agad. Tsaka oo, may nagsabi sa online na hindi daw tumatagal ang misfunction sa fan.
Look may similar fan sa Shopee from Genius Air, 699 lang. Walang mist pero same airflow, mas makakatipid ka pa. Pareho rin halos ng other features.
Sige, skip ko muna. Buti na lang kasama ko kayo. Shopee made sense talaga.
What is methodic doubt? The methodic doubt is a philosophical approach popularized by René Descartes. It means doubting everything before accepting it as true. In everyday life, especially when it comes to money, this mindset can be incredibly useful. And why does it matter? It helps you pause and reflect, avoiding impulse buying. It strengthens your habit of critical thinking, not just when shopping but in everyday decisions.